Hello and welcome everybody here on this channel. Once again, it's Matchbox time. We got two more 5-packs that I bought on sale for €6.99 each, which is kind of a fair price nowadays. So basically we got two sets that seem to be from 2023, as there is the 70 years anniversary logo on top of the packaging, but this one here seems to be a re-release from 2021, but I don't have these models, so I bought it. And yeah, the new set is this one here on the left side, the Adventure II set. So let's get right into the unboxing and start with this one here, which is the Speedy Adventure II set. And yeah, there seems to be something special about it. As far as I can see, none of these models has an interior. So I already cut the packaging open because it's always a little bit annoying here on camera. And yeah, we start with the first one here, which is obviously not a car. It's a Matchbox rescue helicopter. Yeah. To be honest, I'm not too much into the stuff without wheels. So yeah, we got this helicopter here, which seems to be from some kind of fire department. Saying first responders here on the front. Yeah, nothing too exciting. So let's put our helicopter in the parking lot, and let's go on with this one here. This is also a generic casting, the Matchbox service truck, and yeah, I think this one's really cool. I do like this deco, which says United Mail Service, with this eagle here. I do like the colors, and yeah, this one's really cool. And as you can see, this one also doesn't have an interior, but it's coming with a metal base. And so we get this metal front, which looks kind of cool in my opinion. And I think on this model it's okay that it doesn't have an interior. Yeah. And we also get this kind of chrome bumper that belongs to the base, which looks quite okay. So this is cool model. I do like this style of deco. Then the next one here, this is a 2016 Ram Flatbed. Comes in this road maintenance deco from Matchbox. So yeah, this one isn't too exciting. As you can see, we got a lot of plastic. So the base is plastic, this back part also is plastic, and only the cab is metal, and then it doesn't have an interior. We don't get any deco on the front, yeah, so, and also not on the back. So this, yeah, isn't too exciting. We can take a look at the bed where we can see a chainsaw and a chain, and I don't know what the rest is, a bag or a tent. Yeah, so yeah, definitely not the most exciting model ever. This is a casting that I do really like. It's the 2009 International eStar. Yeah, kind of a weird looking electric delivery van, but I really like it, because they are throwing always kind of a cool deco on these. So this one comes in Speedy Express deco. On the side we get no details on the back and nothing on the front, but the sides do look very cool, and this is a model that in my opinion really looks cool on display. So let's put this guy also into the parking lot. And the last one of this 5-pack is this guy here. Once again, a generic casting, the Flatbed King, and this one has a movable bed, as you can see. We can drive with a car right here. Well, this one's a little bit too big, obviously, but that's how it works. And normally when they do something like that, a movable part, yeah, they have to save money. And as you can see, this one also doesn't have an interior. But yeah, from the front, I think this looks not too good, in my opinion. Would be a really nice model with an interior. And here on the side, you can see it says Rusty. Yeah, kind of funny. Oops, there goes the packaging. So, and the second set we take a look at is this one here, the Adventure II set. Let's take a look at these models, and the first one is this guy here, the Toyota 4Runner. This is the 80s version. As you can see, no details on the back, and yeah, nothing on the front. That doesn't look too good, but this one has an interior. What I always do not like too much is when you can see the posts so obviously, but often on wagons or on this SUV, you can see it. On the side we have this kind of, I don't know what that is, snakeskin deco. Yeah. It's okay. I mean, it would look so much better with headlights and that stuff, but we don't get that. This is the next one, the Swamp Raider. Oops. Coming in this jungle green livery. Once again, no deco on the front, but some yeah, deco here on the side. We kind of a roof rack molded in, but the floor, so to say, is, or the roof of the car is plastic. It's the interior piece, and as you can see, we got two shovels up there. This one comes with a trailer hitch, but we don't get any taillights. Then the next one is this one here, the Sonora Shredder. I think this one's kind of cool for a generic casting. It looks better than this Swamp Raider. This one comes in a dark flat green livery, and we see some yellow tinted or a yellow tinted windshield. No details once again on the front, nothing on the back. We get this part here with the spare tire, and here on the side once again this jungle safari deco, Team Anaconda. Next one up is this one here that you can think this is a generic casting, but it's not. This is the GHE-O Predator, and yeah, this is a real existing off-road vehicle. I think it's produced in Romania. I think it's the third or fourth version of this one that I do own. This one's coming in. I don't think it's Zamak. Yeah, or is it? I don't know. It's silver, and yeah, we also can see some mud splashes, as you can see here on the side. Yeah. So we got only one model left, and that is this one here, the 2007 Honda Ridgeline in Anaconda deco. Once again, no details on the back. Comes with a spare tire and some molded in stuff here In the back, in the bed we see, I don't know what that is, some tents, a box. And once again, no deco on the front. So yeah, that was the last one. So let's take a look at all of the models from this unboxing. So as we can see, we got 5 models in the back without any interior. I think, oh, this one has one. And none of them does have details on the front, and I think all of them don't have any details on the back. So yeah, we've seen some better stuff, but it is how it is. And as always, I'm trying to pick a favorite. In this case, it's kind of easy. I really like those 2 guys because of their deco. And well, I do prefer this casting, but I would say my favorite model from today is this guy here, because I really like this UMS deco. Looks kind of cool. And yeah, that's it for today's video. If you did like it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching, happy hunting, and see you next time. Bye.